Alright, so this is my video now on my rear brawler light bumper from Poison Spyder. Doing a little bit different this time. I'm using, to sand it off, I actually put an attachment on my Makita just to kind of give it a quick sanding over, get any burrs off, any sort of debris. Then I'll clean it down with alcohol and then I will prime it. Yeah, it should match my Jeep out front with the Poison Spyder light front bumper, and I got a TerraFlex hinge carrier to go on as well. Plus, oh, too much crap. Sorry for the baby stuff in the background, but I also got the stock mod from RockBrawler going on as well. A lot of mods this spring, a lot of mods. Alright, well, I've finished priming my rear brawler light bumper. Everything is ready to go to be painted. It's not ideal temperatures, about 50 degrees out. So I know that's within the parameters of using the primer and all that kind of stuff for to dry, but my 2 weeks holiday is coming up soon, so I want to get this done so I can install it. Anywho, there we go. She's all primed, ready to rock and roll. Next phase will be using my black high gloss enamel paint again from Lowe's, just like my front bumper, and I shall hopefully get this on and painted within the next 2 weeks. Well, I got the bumper on, but I totally forgot to take a video of it. So here's a picture of what it looked like, and here's a video of what it looks like months from this video. Enjoy.